Hello my friends, in this video we're gonna talk about this Anker USB-C to USB-C product. It'll be sort of unboxing and take a look at the quality of craftsmanship of the particular cable. I know that Anker actually produces decent quality products. So this one is USB-C to USB-C 20 100-watt cables, 6 feet or 1.8 meters. What's important here for me is that it can handle 100-watt and it supports power delivery, I think, too, or power delivery, which is amazing. So let's take it open and see what we have. Alrighty, we have some papers, happy, not happy, usual Anker style kind of. Declaration of FCC statement, not relevant. So here's the cable itself. It's relatively long, it's almost 2 meters. It has this Anker branded Velcro kind of, which you can lock it at place and not, for example, and keep it coiled like this, which is great actually. So it says 100 watts on it. Obviously the real review of this cable will be like in a year or so, when it's going to be used a lot and fail or not fail, but right now this is just essentially unboxing. And another thing I would like to try is to see what's the resistance or what's the current capability of this cable, but I couldn't come up with good actually testing procedure. So this is going to be just essentially overview, and let's take a look at this cable a little bit up close. So those are quality of connectors. They are decently made. I hope, looks like they are pretty stiff over here, so I hope it's not gonna break in those points, because this is usually where cables break. Nicely chamfered or nicely rounded over here, so it's not super sharp like some other cheaper cables. Well made, and there is nice like, I don't know, texture over here, which I like a lot. So overall looks like good quality, not thin, not too thin cable. I would say even thicker than I actually expected. For example, here's the cable which I have just handy lying around here from the Telecine, whatever, charging GoPro battery charging thingy. Like, the quality is clearly worse. Especially kind of interesting how this have a split over here, this one doesn't, so it's like a complete unit. But whatever, both of them gonna work. I just hope this gonna able to carry much higher currents, and the thickness of this cable is so much thinner. Alright, I think this is gonna be it. If you wanna take a look and check yourself for such cable, it's link gonna be below. If you have any experience with this cable problems or any comments, please comment as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.